Hello there, today I want to show you how you can easily install Google Analytics and Google Search Console on your WordPress website without code. You could also easily connect other Google services such as Google Ads. Let's start by going to Plugins. Add New. Enter Site Kit in the search box. Install and activate Google Site Kit. Click on Start Setup. Next, you need to sign in with your Google account. Choose your desired account if you have more than one account logged in on your browser. Next, click Allow. Click Allow again. Click Add Site. Go to My Dashboard. Search Console has been created already. Just click on Connect Service if it's not already set up. You can do same with the others as well. Let's continue with setting up Google Analytics. Click on Connect Service under Analytics. Click on Account and select an account if you have an existing account for your website. In this case, I will set up new account by selecting the last option. Input account name, choose country, and create account. Sign in with your Google account again. Click Allow. Don't worry if you have this error. Just click on Create Account again. Accept the terms of service. Go to My Dashboard. It has connected successfully. Check on Google Analytics website by visiting this link. It is right here. Do the same for Search Console too. It's also right here. Please like the video and subscribe. Leave comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.